1A recap, we took one loss. I mean, we got some good trades earlier with some of our analysts, but I'll just show you what happened. Basically, beginning of the day, I was awake for this, but I saw some of it. We basically had power 3 plus a market maker. What was it? I forgot the name. Market maker buy model down here. This is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So that's something we called out. Something that was really interesting to me too. I'll show you what happened on DXY. We had a parabolic run to the downside, and I wanted this low to get taken, but we didn't take that low, which we did have this daily for value gap, so I understand that. But if you guys know what a parabolic run is, I'm probably gonna make a separate video on that because it's gonna be a pretty in-depth what was it called, explanation. We could also see that we basically had a power of 3 on here too, so there's no reason to overcomplicate it. Accumulation, manipulation at the top, this little range right here, a little bit of manipulation, then distribution lower. So that's what we got. Chopping around, pushed out of the data range, you push lower, and yeah, this was pretty easy to call out if you were able to see it, honestly. But I messed up yesterday with my analysis, which is my bad. And I'll show you the loss we took. Because, first of all, I'm going to show you the one win that we did have from one of our analysts. And he's a reformed ICT trader. He called this out middle of the night. We took out this low, power of 3, everything lined up for longs. And he took longs off consequent encroachment right here. And he paper handed it. Because I was telling him if he was in longs when I saw price action, he should have held it. I think he just cut it at either this high or this high. But I know I chased some longs from this low. What was it? Tapped into this little soup right here and pushed up higher because I just woke up. I was getting ready for school and targeted what was it called? Consequent encroachment is fair value gap. Tapped into it. Tapped into consequent encroachment. That was my one trade that I took personally, which was just small. I just wanted to see how price action was. But he could have targeted up here for 90 handles. Could have targeted here for 99, or the overall high, which probably would have been taken for a full 166, like 13 to 12 risk to reward. And if we were, what was it called? Targeting the equilibrium of the range, you could have caught like 300 handles, but no one would hold out for that long. Some runners might have, but other than that, that was probably the one good trade we had. And let me go over my loss because I have it in my analyst chat, and I'm pretty disappointed about it. Very disappointed. Okay. I want to see a breaker block market structure shift, which we never got that, so it wasn't good enough for me. And this kind of was like a test of the concept or the order blocks I was talking about in like the knowledge transfer series I just uploaded. If any of you guys saw that, I want to see this little what was it called? Red line get respected. This was 3.5 handles, and that was probably the only trade we took. Okay, no, 3 handles. So 1208. Let's go over that. Which I think that's 1208 my time because I don't trade unless it's bid conditions. So let's hop into the 1 minute. 1208. Over here. Okay. Yeah, this price action sucked. Okay. Let's see this 108. This is where I took the loss. Alright, let's mark out what I saw. I don't know what I was thinking, but it definitely wasn't something good. This red line, I kind of used us as guinea pigs. I don't know how much people took a loss on it, but I know some people, they're learning good risk management, so I'm pretty proud of that. They're not destroying their accounts on these trades. So, entry was off this tap right here. And what was it called? Stop was all the way, where was it? I think it was just 3 handles strict or 3.5. But 3.5 and 3 handles strict. I think I just trilled it down when I realized the idea wasn't going to work. And basically my take profit was pretty low down here because I thought this was going to be a sell model because of just the post launch. We had time distortion. I was thinking we were going to get pushed lower, and we didn't get pushed lower actually. We got pushed higher, which I should have known that. I shouldn't have fought the trend. So it's my bad on my part. We should not be fighting trends. I know, what was that one guy? He was trying to fight the trend. He was trying to go shorts, and he wanted to catch like a full-blown reversal. Like after this first pump, he was like, I think we're gonna dump down with twice the strength. I'm like, bro, we're gonna pump. And I saved his account just by saying that. So he took longs, held
Yo,
on to it.
did you see ICT's trade?
With ICT trade.
The he took a long all to that thing. He was using that breakaway gap as it's called.
Oh,
Yeah. Did you see
wait,
his
who
trade?
is Zick in here? Cause look, he says the advanced gap theory is useless.
Bro, no, I like it.
I know,
I
I
kind of
love
like
it.
it.
That's
I
one
like
of the
it.
like the turning points in my videos. Was it alive? What the? Wait,
Bro, no. Go on the community,
community.
and
This
then
one.
you press that. Yeah, that's
Okay.
his trade. He used that.
What is going
Yeah,
on here?
and he was telling that to be.
Let me let me see what time frame it was first of all. Okay, 5 minute. On the 5 minute, let's scroll down. See You didn't see anything. 640 plus
Yo,
for value gap.
just-
Oh, I saw
Yo,
this.
man, just control
up?
plus. Just control plus. Yeah.
Ah. Okay. Let's see this. Okay. 640 for value gap. 640. Is that like a macro time? I've never heard of it. I've seen it before, but should we be marking out 640 fair value gaps? Because I think that might be one of his silver bullets. But he has like 20 silver bullets.
It's 650 to 710, and then 750 to 810, 850 to 910, and then
Those are silver
know,
bullet
so
times?
on. Yeah, they technically count.
Okay.
It's just 10 minutes before the end of any hour, and then 10 minutes after. That's only during the AM session. It changes after noon, after the noon 11:50 to 12:10.
Okay.
I figured it out because a lot of the setups I've been testing are actually during lunch hour.
I see liquidity. I'm just trying to see what his thought process was. Oh, breakaway
I
gap
think he's
tells you
almost under
breakaway
the
gap tells you
breakaway
strength in what was it called? Our direction or where we're heading. So breakaway gap.
I
should
kind of
remain
like it. I
unfilled.
don't know what
What
Zico's
defines
talking about.
what defines a breakaway gap?
think
Is
I'm
it
about to hit
just
1K
an
subscribers. Let me
FTG
check
and then
real quick.
another one?
Stuck at 998. I need 2 more. Can someone please subscribe after this video? Just 2 people and I hit 1K. I'll be happy. Okay, back to the charts. We pumped all day. Not really anything special. 1 loss. 3.5 handles. I'm just gonna say because I don't know how much that is because I didn't even I didn't even take the trade myself. I closed out. I entered. I was like, I'm not doing this bull. And I just exited because I did not like conditions. I did not want it short in this massive pump. So I don't know how much I lost in total, but I'm just gonna say 3.5 handle loss. Keep our losses small. Our wins are gonna be like 30, 40, 50 handles. So we should be chill. Throughout the week. Wait, has anyone received their Top Step reset code yet? If anyone's using Top Step?
No.
Oh, let me check. I want to know if anyone received it. Because apparently no one's received theirs, and they might be scamming people.
I never got one.
Fucking 5 minutes. Let's find ICT's trade. See if there's anything we could have done. Yeah, I'm lost. I can't see nothing. I don't know where it was.
Bro.
Sorry, spoken.
Mark out the 640 FEG.
I can't hear nothing. Hold up. Are you guys talking?
Yeah.
I can't hear you guys.
Yes.
That's
Oh.
weird. Huh.
Yo, hello?
Hold up. My headphones are disconnected. What's up? I still can't hear anything.
Yo,
What
Oh,
about
I
now?
can hear it.
Can you
What's
hear
up?
us?
Yeah, I can hear it.
Alright, bet.
Okay. I don't know. Do you guys want analysis for tomorrow?
Or
Okay.
Go for it.
So, we
Wait,
basically...
I had a quick question before you start.
Yeah? What's up?
What defines a breakaway gap?
I don't think I'm qualified to explain it.
Okay.
you should
I'll
go
s-
on the 2023.
Hey, can you
bro,
explain it, spoken?
I could explain it, but I think you should just go watch the video.
You should watch the video.
Yeah,
Alright,
because the way he talks, you need to like.
You need to
Oh
understand.
my
You have to
God.
understand his lingo actually
Yeah,
to learn it.
like,
There you go. Advanced, yeah.
bro, if
for
I tell you the truth today, I was looking for a unicorn setup.
the entire time
shorts.
shorts, yeah, I know.
And-
They're so
I don't
clean. I
know.
can't blame you. They're so clean. If you see a unicorn setup, you'd want to take it.
Bro, I've been back testing it, and I love it.
Mhm.
I like it.
I know. I love it too. They're one of my favorite setups. Okay. Oops.
There was no news today. How did this even happen, bro?
Parabolic run. I knew something was fishy. Something that's I mean, we have CPI later down the week. Tuesday is apparently going to be really good for us, so pretty excited for that. Aidenomics is doing a live stream tomorrow too. For free, what was it called? Live trading.
Oh hell no.
I'm not gonna send you guys over there. Spare your souls. Okay. What was this? I don't know what gap this is, but it was respected. But that's beside the point. I always like to look
But
at
you're
the
not
export.
sharing your screen. You're not sharing.
I'm not. Darn it.
Yeah.
Did I send you guys the advanced gap theory? Oh yeah, I did. It's in trading floor. Okay, so right here with the PBA and DPI gap right here, and we could also mark it out with these what was it called? RDCEHL right here. And these two confluence is my bad. Okay, this is what was it called? This is new. I don't even know what this is. It's a what was this called? Is it New Day opening gap?
Yes,
Yeah,
New Day
my
opening
bad.
gap.
My brain just stopped working. I started naming different things. Okay, New Day opening gap, which I just like to keep them marked out. We have these relative equal lows. I want to scale up to the 1 hour, and you can see that we actually have kind of a turtle soup down here. I want to see what we have on the 4 hour, because we were. Hold on, I'll show you the daily fair value gap. We were kind of digging into it, but usually when we dig into a gap, from my own thesis, if we dig into a gap and return to it, we usually just dump straight through it, and especially with where we're heading down to this low. Let me see if we actually retrace properly, because I'm just gonna mark out this high and this low. Looks like we did retrace. We respect this 0.5. What do you see here, Spoken? After filling this volume imbalance and tapping into this mitigation block, what do you think is gonna happen here?
You know what I wanted to happen?
What?
I wanted it to just retrace up to that fair value gap and then we go higher. But
Yeah. So
I'm not-
is this? This could be a breaker. Okay. I'm just gonna mark this. I'm just gonna say this is a daily breaker. Let me scale into the 4 hour. Confirm that. Yeah, this is good enough to be considered a breaker. Okay, so we had this breaker that we actually respected. We filled our volume imbalance, which is pretty nice. Tapped back into a discount and a discount of our overall range. So we're looking pretty bullish tomorrow. And we have this kind of a turtle soup that I want to watch out for. We could get a reaction off of it, which that wouldn't be too bad. Because it looks like, if you can see, okay, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, we've just been chopping around like this. So getting some movement in the markets would be really nice. Don't do that. Actually, let's see the community ideas. Let's see what they have. I don't know that. Okay. That aside, this what was it called? Swing low lines up with this daily fair value gap on the 12 hour. It also lines up on the 4 hour. I don't like. Could this be considered? No, it's not. I was thinking this could have been a rejection block if we tapped into it a little bit more. It's not. We shouldn't be looking for bullish confluences. I mean, it obviously looks more like a sell model than anything, because you can see we took out this high, pushed through this low. I mean, we shifted market structure with this. We retraced into this fair value gap. So it looks like we are pretty bullish from the 4 hour on NQ, just bearish on DXY, which if you don't know what DXY is, DXY goes down, NQ goes up, can't be manipulated. This is basically a machine that moves the markets, if I want to say in like some fancy terms. So yeah, I'm actually really, what was it, bearish tomorrow. And we'll just look at this type of price action. We're inside this fair value gap. These equal highs have already been taken. I wanted to see some inducement, it's not counted as it. Okay, this could count as inducement, just as a little target that we have. I want to see us dig lower though. Yeah.
I've been studying inducement strategies, and I don't know if I'd call it inducement,
Really?
but it's definitely
It's-
a retail. It's definitely a retail double bottom.
I
So
know, that's
if
what I'm
it
thinking.
pushes through that, I would see shorts.
Yeah. And that's what I'm saying. It kind of looks like it. I wouldn't really say it is though. It's not clean enough. What do you think about
Yeah.
this up here?
That's a retail. That's a retail bear flag,
Resistance.
and it technically did respect
I
that,
thought-
but
I
that
thought-
could just
what was it
be a
called?
smart money trap
Inducement
below
was
it.
just more of, what was it called? Support and resistance, just equal highs resistance. They put their stops behind it and smart money targets that. I thought that's what inducement was.
Well, yes, but it's more useful when you combine it with, like when you use retail logic to figure out
Oh, we should have inverse
where,
Spencer.
because what is inducement? It's something that
Engineering liquidity. in these
market. It's
vile
it's
markets.
engineered to move retail traders into traps. That is
Yeah.
what inducement is.
Mhm.
So if
Oh,
you see
Jason just-
if you see inducement that makes you like that makes you want to sell, right, go down, then you best believe that's going to come back up again because it just trapped all those retail traders. The only difference is where does it trap them? That's where the reversal happens. So right now we're driving up through this bearish fair value gap. So that could continue higher because
Mhm.
we trapped a bunch of retail traders using that bear flag right there.
pull them through.
Yeah.
Trap 'em
And
in.
also I think if you move up the time frame, we're respecting that that swing low order block before it. I might be wrong though.
Which one?
That red candle just before it rallies up.
What? Should I
yeah,
hop back on the 15-minute or which one?
stay on the 15-minute.
Okay. Talking about this one?
Do you no move to the left like before noon? Yeah, that red candle right before. Yeah,
Red?
yeah.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Let's mark it out.
And you have a bunch of mohawks on the bottom of that bullish. So if I were to do DXY tomorrow, I would want to see a fake move downwards at the beginning of the New York session.
Did you
before
just
it
swing or
continues
just like
up.
a, what was it called, sweep?
Yeah, just a sweep off the most recent swing low.
Okay.
But it shouldn't travel below that previous order block. That's what I would do if I were looking at inducement retail strategies. But at the end of the day, it needs to go up over that bearish flag, or else, over that bear flag, or else smart money is doing something that, I'm not seeing.
I don't know. I think they're pretty good at that. Do you think the Enigma is coded by Nazis?
Yo, what?
What?
I'm serious.
What Mantis?
Well, how did that go from what?
Enigma's created by Nazi Germany. The Enigma machine was a cipher device
Oh,
developed and used in the
nah,
mid-20th
you're
century
actually-
to protect commercial, diplomatic, and military communication. It was employed by Nazi Germany during the World War II. So,
Okay, but
if we head to Germany together and we can actually dig into the archives, we might be able to crack the markets.
Yo,
I don't-
Jason, I have a question. How did you even find this? How is this a thing, bro? The
I don't know,
AI
bro.
shit.
Someone just sent it to me randomly. It's really cool. Like I can just ask
That's
it.
so
all the
crazy.
questions
Wait,
I
is it
want.
like for like is it right though?
Yeah, no. If you click on like the blue little
you
numbers,
can
like
get
it
it.
will take you exactly to the video, and like it's basically just a quote from
What?
ICT.
Wait, what?
That is
Oh.
insane.
Wait, what's
I
the-
sent a website in general, and
SSD
like
index? Oh,
it's
that's
like-
crazy.
you can ask it anything.
Yo, I'm keeping this.
ICT, what? It
Yo,
sends
this is
all
cool.
what the
ICT index. Inducement context of trading that refers to a course of certain
If-
active. Huh?
If you press on the little like the blue thing, it'll take you to a video that like kind of
Yo.
talks about it.
That
On
is
the 40, 91 and
insane.
a quarter
That
level
is
is
insane, bro.
priming.
Okay, let's
Okay,
do this.
priming is where you
Let's watch some
you more or
inducement.
less coax a certain mindset into being adopted. Okay, it's inducing the idea that this is trustworthy for the purposes of lending resistance. So when a trader with less experience looks at a market like this and they think, wow, the market really bounced down from those levels. So therefore, what? I can go short and hopefully make a big move going lower during the FOMC. And I can feel safe that my stock could be placed above that 40.91 and a quarter level or 40.89 and
Just
three
talking about
quarters.
retail mindset. Trustworthy relating to. Okay, hold up.
Well, the strategy works more like, let's say I have that swing high like in that video, and then I make a swing low, and then I expect it, because there's a bearish FVG above that swing high, I expect it to go there. You need to look at the PD arrays in between where you want it to go and the swing low that was just made
Mhm.
to figure out whether there's a smart money trap. If there's a money trap there for retail traders or whatever, that means that it will continue up and shoot past the fair value gap. Or like there's a high probability, not means. And if there isn't a smart money trap, that just means that it's gonna go lower.
Be it YouTube,
That's why I like the strategy,
Twitter,
because it's
Facebook.
it's
I
based
have a
on
lot
what's
of
actually
students
happening
all around the
in the
world,
market.
and I'm very honored to be the mentor to all of you. But sometimes you'll also see folks that are not all that friendly towards me. And while that doesn't bother me so much, it's important for
Hold
you
up,
to
let me read- I
understand
want to hear what he says
it's
about
not
this.
Enigma has no reference at all in a chart. So as soon as someone talks to you about how they have Enigma and they're going to sell you Enigma, or they're going to give you a free access to Enigma, or they can trade and do signals and give you, trades based on Enigma, they have nothing. They have nothing, because my algorithm has absolutely nothing to do with a chart. It's all time and price and macros. Things that you won't even see in your chart until after it happens.
Do you think this is real?
It's before your chart prints.
Probably.
A lot of people think IPTA stands
Yo,
for the person who developed the algorithm, which ties in.
Yo,
What's
Mantis,
up?
do you know about this? So, what is it called? You do standard deviation off of the market structure on the Judas swing. Have you ever done that?
Yeah, I used to do that. Back in October, I used to trade like that. My strategies have been
What do you
switching
feel
up way
about
too
that?
much though. It was really it was precise. Just back then when conditions were better. Hold up, let me see if I can find a Judas swing and we'll try it out. I don't think we had a Judas swing recently though. Hold up.
Also, have you ever actually used what is it called?
The gold
Like
back stuff.
the 830 no, like 830 opening price as a PD array. Have you used
Oh
that?
yeah. I used to a lot actually. 830 open
Bro,
right here.
it's actually
I
pretty
know.
accurate.
It is.
I'm not even kidding.
Almost all my winning days, you'll see I have it marked up along with midnight open and 9:30 open, all of them tying together. They're really powerful, but I used to have them added to my checklist. I just don't use them as much anymore.
I use it as a bro as like AMD though, but not like
No, you
that.
don't.
I'm trying to use it more like that though. Bro, what do you mean?
I'm kidding. I'm messing with you.
Nah, that's just it's from 2022. That was pretty simple.
Yeah. Let me try this. Okay, so 8:30. What was it called? Well, this even.
Oh, you're
this
not
one
showing
even
your
considered
screen.
Judas swing. Oh yeah, that's my bad. I'm trying to look for an example. I can't find one. I know in October we had a lot. What's up?
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stay long. I think I got like 5 minutes before I gotta go.
It's all good. Let me open up this. I don't want to get my files hacked. I know some people can do that just straight off. What was it called? Oh, I see the Indian. Have you guys seen this? Right here. Do you guys know what this is?
Oh yeah,
Yes,
bro.
I
let me
have
tell you
that. I
something.
have that PDF, bro.
I
Everyone has it
read
at this
about
point.
it, and no, I'm not even kidding. Like the mathematical way that like you can guess, like you can have all the PD arrays just with the fib, like what
Oh
when he's
yeah, of
talking about.
course, yeah.
It's
I just
insane.
looking at that too. We actually
Doesn't that involve like gold block and shit like that?
Yeah, gold
Yeah,
blocks,
yeah,
that
bro.
it's
Goldback. This is
insane,
Goldback like
but
ICT. I mean,
so advanced. It's so
it's
advanced.
really confusing for me. Even I tried studying it. I'm gonna stick with everything because I have to do normal analysis. But it
That's
shows
the
you what
shit that-
times and levels the PD arrays will actually format.
That's the shit that Joel's trying to use right now.
He's trying to figure it out.
Yeah, he's trying to get nice with it.
It's gonna get rough. I really like it just because of the ICT lore that's involved with it. I like the type of culture in that. Because it gets kind of crazy. It starts talking about
Yes.
archangels and stuff.
Send me that, bro.
I got you. Wait. Oh, is Hoppy here? No, he's not. He posted the link in here. Does anyone
Cause
have it?
I see it has the Nikola Tesla theory in there. I
Yeah.
saw that little symbol, the 369.
Yeah,
What the fuck?
369.
What the fuck does that have to do in correlation with this?
3 for power, 3 6 for IPTA levels, and 9 for ports. I could explain some of it because.
Oh wait, what the fuck?
So the book of Hoppy explains time and price, which is the look back in AMD, which 2040-60, that's just the IPTA ICT's quarterly theory, and IPTA is the interbank price dealing algorithm plus power of 3, it's just accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That all equals time and price when you use it together, and basically, if you have the correct settings for this, I still have to go through to make sure my settings are proper because there's power through numbers
Oh.
that you have to have right here, and there's basically ties into quarterly theory too, and it also shows you what fib levels and what times they will be respected at, and what swing highs and swing lows based on gold back numbers. That's how I actually was able to call displacement by the exact time. I remember Byron John was freaking out about it. If you saw that, I was like, all right, watch this. 103, we're gonna get displacement lower, instantly displaced lower. Second hit 103. You can call some pretty crazy stuff if you see what Goldbeck numbers are actually referring to. I'll actually scroll through it and show you some of it because this is free. I'm not gonna. These are the Goldbeck numbers. It's just primes that are added together, and you have to see which ones are pushing up or which way the candles are closing. And it's just adding. What was it called? If you hop on the 1 minute, I'll show you. So let's find some 3-digit numbers. Okay, 224. That's you just add 2 with 24. That's like 26, right? Yeah, 2 plus 24. That's 26, and you just keep going by that through Goldbeck numbers. I would show an example. I actually have some private videos of some people explaining it because we had a private class about it, and I might send it to you. What was it called, Gino? If you actually want to learn about it, this guy he explains.
Yeah,
a
this
bunch.
is interesting, bro.
Yeah, I'll send you. It's a private. link I
No,
have.
I'm not. It's insane. It's super accurate.
Yeah, it's
But
like
I'm
I
not
have a
gonna
whole
learn it to like
thing about it.
master it.
We're gonna learn
like
about it in the
mine.
future. I'm gonna have. A
Thing
whole
is, though, like, I don't know if you remember last night when we were talking about shit. A lot of like, I don't really use ICT, bro, but the time concepts that he uses are fire, brothers. Are fire. Like The other day, I was looking at the Asian range and shit like that, and well, today, right now, I'm about to look at the CBDR,
Oh.
whatever the fuck it is.
Central
ICT
bank thingy.
features.
Yeah, like shit like that.
So you-
It's pretty fire, bro. It works out pretty
Hmm?
nice.
Okay, so this is basically what I learned from this dude in our little private lecture we had. I'm just keeping this from my own what was it called, looking back on it. Basically, you can kind of predict in some currencies what the entire weekly profile is going to be just through what happens on Monday during the London session. So Monday, Tuesday, this is manipulation, distribution, tracement, dump on Friday. And he showed me this exact profile happened. This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This exact thing played out on this currency. I'll send it to you. He explains it a lot more in depth though. Like you will learn a ton just from this one video. And I have a bunch more. Just let me know. That one should kind of be like the intro to it when I sent it to you.
Yeah, it's good bet.
These are the gold back numbers, and this is the IPTA level for the gold back numbers. So this is time and price.
Bro, IPTA is so nice for buys. It's so nice.
I don't personally use it anymore though. I used to, and it messes up when you're trying to trade like.
I started using it because of the charter content one thing,
Yeah.
the model.
We'll see this though. If we can. Oh yeah, this is he in here? What was it? Is he in here? That dude with the zeros.
Me?
Yeah, I think that's it, bro. You're gay as fuck.
Oh, I'm just joking, bro.
Who's the guy with the
Dude.
car in his
playing.
profile picture?
That's him.
What?
You are.
Yeah,
him?
that was me. Yeah.
Your PCT. Okay, look. Yeah, this is what you trading, right? You're trying to trade like the Enigma on the thing. Is this,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Is this what you do?
Right.
ICT's logo.
Yeah, the ICT logo.
Why? Wait, what the fuck does it talk about archangels though?
It's crazy.
It's not crazy though that ICT doesn't actually use Goldbug, but
Mhm.
it works as well. Nah, he's capping.
Yeah, it works really well. But not something you should look into if you're new, bro.
Yeah, I'm not gonna look into that.
Yeah, I haven't even really looked into it.
Mm-hmm.
Let me find it. Hosting levels. Where did it come from? Red Hippo. Wait.
What?
There it goes. Michael's name. The length of Michael's name is 7. Coincidentally, there are also 7 archangels. You have been magic. 7 clusters of 100.
What the fuck?
Bro,
Bullshit.
what?
This guy's tweaking, bro. He wrote this while he was
That's
on
off the
drugs.
perk.
I'm thinking, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. He was just because some of this stuff doesn't make sense. 7 archangels. How did he name himself? Goldback's conjecture. 2 prime numbers. What does this mean? We're looking for 7 clusters on the number 100. Goldback calculator. Michael's name. We need to look for 7 clusters. And I don't even know what this is. He does reach with some
what?
things that I don't understand why. But
Yeah.
maybe he's just some crack addict that just opened his mind. I just gave you gold back.
Motherfucker was off an acid trip, bro.
Gold back. 2 prime numbers. Time. Here we go from the calm morning. I like his quotes though. Number of circles will be 9. My tour will sleep until Friday 07:23. So this he uses all of it. Hold up. Sequence of 9 to the final points. 6 lose 18 27. Oh. I don't know where he gets this from. Oh yeah, and do you know what a hippo is?
Me now.
Nope. Oh, isn't it like
Hidden
the bank
enterprise.
shit, bro?
Yeah, that's the bank stuff.
Yeah.
How can I mark this out? I remember I was.
Yeah, show me that,
I
show
think
me
we
that.
taught in the what was it called? Thing. The guy didn't even know to mark them out. It's just the. I honestly don't know. It's just the price in between fair value gaps, and that's what a hippo is. Apparently, it was supposed to
but-
show it in the indicator, but it
Okay,
doesn't.
let's be real though. Let's be real. You don't need all this to be profitable. You don't need
Definitely.
Yeah, you don't need all
Nah,
it,
but
bro.
this shit's fire to learn though. What the
I
fuck?
know,
Because
it's
of
cool.
fair
No,
value
this is
gaps and order
fire though.
blocks,
Nah,
bro.
I would
Nah.
learn this.
I don't give a fuck. This shit's
Yeah.
fire. Bro, the
Nah,
thing is, bro.
No, Gino, aren't you like a retail trader, bro? Nah.
No,
What are you
no,
talking-
he's
we're-
no. He,
we're
it's
all,
from-
we're
Nah,
all
bro.
retail, bro.
I-
No,
You,
Oh,
that's
yeah,
the
that's
most.
good.
That's the
Okay,
most brick
wait.
shit I've ever. Why do y'all say that in here, bro?
That's what